What is going on, everybody? TheTravelingYam here again today, and I wanted to start out by saying thank you. I really appreciate all the people who liked, subscribed, commented on the last video. It's nice because it gives me more drive to want to keep making these types of videos. So anyways, let's jump right into it. So judging by the title of the video, you're here because you want to learn how to stake or stack AMP. Well, I'm going to use Gemini as the exchange that I'm going to be transferring my funds from, just because that's where I currently buy my AMP. So first you're going to have to click on transfer. You're going to click withdraw from Gemini. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this screen. It's going to ask you to pick a currency. Obviously, for us, it's going to be AMP. I recently just purchased some AMP, which is why about 700 of it is going to be locked up. Again, small fish, so I might only transfer like 1,000 of it, just for the purposes of showing, because the gas fees might be too high for me to, like, it wouldn't make sense, because if the gas fees are too high, then it doesn't make sense to do it. So after you hit continue, it's going to ask you for a location which it wants you to transfer from, or to, sorry. So you're going to go to the AMP website, amptoken.org. Awesome. You're going to click on use AMP. And then once you click on use AMP, it's going to take you to this screen, capacity, which is the Flexa Network. So you're going to need to connect your wallet. So now the thing is there are a bunch of different wallets that you can connect to. I use MetaMask because when I asked on the AMP forum or Discord, they said that the most common one that people use is MetaMask, just because it's a Chrome extension that makes it easy. So let me just confirm that I'm logged into MetaMask here. Yeah, okay, so I am logged into MetaMask. Awesome. So I'm going to connect my wallet, MetaMask. Cool. Okay, so now I'm connected. So now what you want to do is you're going to want to take the code that's in this MetaMask wallet, copy from clipboard. Okay, great. So now I've copied the public address that I want to send my AMP to. Once you do that, you're going to go back to Gemini. You're going to go back to transfer to. You're going to paste that bad boy in there. Now I would confirm that this is right, because if you get this wrong, good night, sweet prince. No more AMP for you. So okay, so 0, let's see, 4, and then just the last couple digits there is F95 and F95. Okay, great. So I feel confident that that is correct. So now we go back to Gemini. We're going to click continue. We're going to enter the amount of AMP. Let's just do, I don't know, 1,000. 1,000 seems okay. We're going to click continue. And this is just a complete withdrawal. So the date's February 27th, 2021. The amount is 1,000 AMP from primary, that's Gemini, to this address. Okay, cool. So we're going to request the withdrawal. Oh my god, if I do this wrong, it's going to be caught on camera that I've made a mistake and that my AMP is gone. So, okay, hold on. Here we go. Okay. Oh, okay, I have to approve it from Authy. Oh, by the way, if you don't have Authy attached to your Gemini account, you should. It's a two-factor authentication, which makes sure that you like someone can't just steal your stuff by having access to your account. They need physical access to your phone. So I'm approving it here on Authy right now. Okay, I approve the request, and okay, so it's gone. Now, these next few minutes are going to be some of the most terrifying minutes I have ever experienced in my life, because if it doesn't show up in my account, I'm going to be a sad boy, because I would have just sent 1,000 AMP into the ether, effectively. So if there's a weird cut here, it's probably because I panicked, because this might take a couple minutes. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, a couple minutes. So if there's a weird cut here. Okay, sorry for the weird cut, everyone. I just had a heart attack, because there's an additional step that you need to take when you're transferring your tokens from Gemini into MetaMask, and I didn't know that, because this is the first time I've ever had to stake or stack tokens, so I didn't know that there was an extra step. But okay, so this is what happened. Let me explain. So I opened up my MetaMask wallet, right? And at the bottom, I waited for like 10 minutes and nothing. It just, like, nothing changed. But now you see 1,000 AMP tokens, but that's because there's an additional step that you need to input in order for the tokens to actually appear at the bottom of your screen. Now, I just want to give a quick shout out to, I'll just move this. I just want to give a quick shout out to Bob Solo. Dude or dudette, I fucking love you. So if you just quickly read, so this is why having a Discord for the particular cryptocurrency that you're working with is so important, because so I said like does it arrive instantly, or like how long does it take for the AMP to arrive in the account? Oh, sorry. How long does it take for the AMP to arrive in the account? And it should be instantly. And by this point, it's been 10 minutes, and I'm having a heart attack because I thought, okay, well, there goes like one fourth of all of my AMP tokens. And so I was like, well, I fucked up. But then Bob Solo, my man, came to the rescue, and he basically explained how to make the tokens appear in MetaMask. So this is what you have to do. Again, big shout out to Bob Solo. I really appreciate your time and your energy. Anyways, okay, so this is what you have to do. You have to go to MetaMask, you log in to the web browser page or whatever, then you have to go down to add token, then you have to go, so I originally searched the AMP token, it doesn't come up, it made me kind of sad, and it also kind of scared me. So then what you actually have to do is you have to go to custom token. Once you go to custom token, you have to go back to let's put this here. You have to go back to the amptoken.org website. You scroll down to the bottom, you copy this link. So what you do is you click on it, it opens up to another page. Once you get to this page, sorry, I have a potato for a computer. I'm saving up to buy a new one. It's just a little slow. You click on this copy address to clipboard. So you copy that address. Once you copy that address, you go back to MetaMask and you paste that address in. So for me, it's already been added. But basically what it's going to do is it'll show the token symbol AMP, and then it'll show the number of decimal places. I think it was 2 for me. And then you just hit next, and then you add it. Once you've added it, you are golden. It will appear in your MetaMask account. Thank you, Bob Solo. I'm going to name my firstborn child after you. And then after that, you just connect your wallet. I clicked on MetaMask, obviously, because I have MetaMask. And then you click the drop down, and now you're going to need, so now you can click stake. You're going to need some Ethereum in your wallet in order to be able to stake it, and you're also going to need some Ethereum in your wallet to be able to transfer it out. So let's just see what happens. I have no, yeah, so you can either stake it on Gemini or you can stake it on Spedin. So Spedin is the app that the Flexa Network uses, or that it was made to use AMP tokens to buy and sell, to make purchases in real life. And then Gemini is the exchange, obviously, that you can buy and sell cryptocurrency off of. I'm probably gonna, if I were to stake it, I'd probably just stake it on AMP on the exchange itself. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh, and this is the interest you earn per year. Again, you have two options with this. You can either use Gemini Earn. Again, Canadians, we don't have that option. It's unfortunate. But Americans, you do have that option, and I've heard with Gemini Earn, there was a comment yesterday asking about that. So Gemini Earn, I think it has a lower APY, which is just how much interest you earn in a year, than staking it on here. And there is something about their terms of service which was a little confusing and risky. Where like if they lose your tokens or something, it's not their fault. So a lot of people are shying away from Gemini Earn. I would do it on MetaMask or the Flexa Network here if you could. It's better that way. It's also a higher interest. Blah 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 blah. Actually, so continue waiting for approval. So I don't have any ETH in my account, so it should not let me stake. Yeah, insufficient funds. Gas fee. Yeah, so here. So look. So the gas fee is $32. I'm about to spend $32. I think this AMP is only worth $24. So I'm not going to do it. I'm going to reject it. But that is a step-by-step process for how you would stake your AMP. Now, because it's going to cost me money to take this, put this back into Gemini, I'm just going to leave this here because I want to stake it eventually. And just for completion's sake, I am going to show you Gemini Earn AMP interest. Okay, so now let's just see if they have it mentioned. I remember seeing somewhere invest. If this doesn't make it in the video, it's because I couldn't find it. But if this does make it in the video, it's because I found the interest rates. Oh, here. Yeah, so here, look, it's not worth it. Like Gemini Earn, it's an interest rate of 1.98%, and then on the Flexa Network from MetaMask, it was it 4.9 or something? 4.79. Yeah, so clearly it's better. You just get more bang for your buck here. Okay, that's basically the whole video. This step-by-step tutorial. I'm so happy that we were able to learn this together. I'm so happy I didn't lose my AMP. If you have any other questions, leave it down below. And for the next video, let me know what you think down below. I was thinking of either doing a video about the AMA that just happened on the Discord concerning MoonSwap. I have to do a little bit more research and learn about what MoonSwap is and stuff. But I can go through the AMA if you guys would like, or I can just do a video on MoonSwap itself and kind of like what it is and what you'd use it for and stuff like that. Anyways, I appreciate all of your time. Thanks again, Bob Solo. I love you. And yeah, that's about it. So peace.